Hey there, hi there, ho there, and welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. Whoop! 420. Yeah, no, actually that's not it. You see all these cords here? Lots of cords. I can throw them around, beat them around like that. Absolutely nothing breaks on them. They're pretty darn good cords. Almost all of these cords I have is beautiful cords. Look at this. Look at that. Even those are beautiful cords. Thought I bought a wonderful cord right here. Yeah, see the other review as I unpackaged it and showed you it and showed you the wonders of it. And then I get to use it like 2 or 3 times. Yeah, I take this off because I'm going to use it for a longer thing, and then boom, look at that. What the heck? Look at that. 3 times. 3 times I got to use this. 3 times. Garbage. It charged well. Charged very well. I don't know if you want to attempt to take a risk at this. It was a pretty cheap one. I think it cost like $9 at Ross, if I remember right. A nice idea, but such a waste. 15 feet. Nothing you can do about it. $9 down the tubes. So, and this is, as you can see, don't know if it's a good one normally, but let me know in the comment sections down below what you think. Lightning cable. That's why I got it. It was supposed to be super fast charging. Well, that's the end of this episode of Willis Talk. Have fun out there and be safe.